Have you got sore joints? Have you got poor mobility? Maybe you're piling on the pounds around the middle while your legs and arms stay skinny. Or maybe you get reoccurring gland problems, little slight fevers. These would all be symptoms of a stagnant liver. And the sour flavour in Chinese medicine works on the liver. And what else is sourer than rhubarb? And you can see in this recipe, I'm not cooking the rhubarb, I've just left it to steep in some hot water. I'm going to put the full list of ingredients in the comments, so go and have a look there. But just to tell you a little bit more about the food medicine of this recipe. Rhubarb has a sour flavour. Each of the organs links to a specific flavour. Kidneys is salty and the liver is sour. And so rhubarb, super sour, works primarily on the liver, making it perfect for your spring detox. It invigorates and it moves the blood. It removes any toxic heat, so any viruses, any pathogens that the body is trying to release. Improving liver function will really improve releasing things from the body. And these toxic heat can cause inflammation and pain, especially during menstrual cycle and menopause. We need to keep the blood flowing, and the liver is responsible for the blood flow in Chinese medicine. When we're not moving around, when we're lying down, the blood comes back to be stored in the liver where it's detoxified and cleansed. And then when we're moving around, it circulates through the body. So making sure that your liver is tip-top will ensure a good menopause, good menstrual cycle, relieve painful joints and improve flexibility. And the other extra thing is it's a super constipation cure. So if you want to get everything flowing, I recommend eating this tangy, tasty rhubarb relish. Full list of ingredients in the comments.